Biakamal ka Nuer online TV channel ler balinga jan gwasame ler mishala rewich ka South Sudan ka kwi ji South Sudan te konte shana kare wich ka Sudan te karaj mishakul lat gwasame netin kon tin let kamar wini tugul ka South Sudan neti kon te la foreign affair kini kon la let la minister of foreign affair kini international corporation Rewich ka South Sudan la nedi kon la mara no ka witin tie ka South Sudan. Gwada me te uraj mi chicken la no chicken look ajan bana kula kweno ka kiwar ga me sha gwar ka kuma Sudan ando bdana chicken kula loy ke je no ajan bu kono kweno gwasme. Gor no jin bi jan nyak nasin ko kien la reme ko da gwaban wo de jelinga netin ko kien. South Sudan Minister of Foreign Affairs an international corporation spokesperson Puga Yuel ajaram dana la lere la kalat ajanikan Lloyd kɛnɛ thɔth kamanana shalat kuma Sudan ajanikan Lloyd kɛnɛ thɔth ajani Lloyd chajat ka kwiro je sha lo kuma Sudan ka dobe dan enak South Sudanese ray which kamadene ka Jazira state wikel ka witin content pin Sudan nyoko jene chilo de nyoko jiek boko lo je shawar ka chalu ke je Sudan no ene di jen bakel percent ke 60% ke tila RSF tin kon nyin ke kum Sudan kene ke South Sudanese 65% kene ke South Sudanese lo ngwan peng mudi de lo ne de content de kula tin de kula nyin ke kum Sudan de kula 40 de kula 35% ana mo chala do na mo kach la netin kon tin de pinye meti ka rapid support force ke Sudanese te ramla South Sudanese miditin man chala de kuumɛ dung Sudan jani shi toko na mo charaje me chaje kwen en go man chalat netin kon la Sudanese ken na mo shi toko ndo bran chikan gorka je jani kach ke kuje mo man chala da kuma Sudan mi jek shine lokye chine shunga je ko ne lim ne no bugane lar information magwa ke bigane no lar mi jidit mi nyoda gwa en medane chala ne ken ke de ni ken mi jek do ken kana gorno be kana lat ke kuje mo shine condemn manan je kana lat lar me mishalat jen apuga yul mayem be je lat je ka to English dom mi linga to ko ni bi shu link do bran cha gor je gwa same South Sudanese Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation on Tuesday expressed displeasure at the Sudan Army Force linking its citizens to the Rapid Support Force. Addressing a press conference in Juba, the Foreign Minister spokesperson Apuga Yuel Mayen said they regretted the statement in the wake of the unprovoked, horrific, and despicable massacre of South Sudanese citizens in Al Jazeera state last month. On January 20, 2025, media outlet broadcasted a video footage of General Yasser Al-Attah, Assistant Commander-in-Chief of Sudan Army Force, addressing troops from an undisclosed location. During this address, he claimed that South Sudanese citizens constitute of 65% of the Rapid Support Force. General Al-Attah also sent a mixed message expressing his trust in President Salva Kiir and the leadership of South Sudan, while simultaneously accusing South Sudan of doing nothing to prevent South Sudanese from joining Rapid Support Force, she said. Mayen said that although General Al-Attah acknowledged that many who joined Rapid Support Force were opposition elements, singling out the group led by General Stephen Boy, which the government of South Sudan does not control. They condemn his assertion that South Sudanese make up 65% of Rapid Support Force, which is a lie. She said that South Sudan believed that General Al-Attah was well aware through his long experience in South Sudan that the Sudanese army has had a tradition of arming South Sudanese militia, for which Sudan Army Force has a special department called the Department of Popular and National Forces tasked with recruiting South Sudanese national. When South Sudan fortunately proves undefeatable through militia proxy, those militia elements continue to lurk along the border where the Sudanese military intelligence uses them. Some were even sent to a faraway war such as Yemen. According to our authentic record, 2 groups of South Sudanese nationals were sent to Yemen by the Sudanese government. The group led by the late General Peter Gadet Yaka and General Thomas Thiel Awak. It is under such condition that those Khartoum-backed militia elements found themselves entangled in the Sudanese war, Mayen said. The minister's spokesperson says Sudan's claim of South Sudanese forming 65% of the rapid support force was absolute exaggeration. In fact, many of the aforementioned South Sudanese groups are still fighting alongside Sudan Army Force. For example, Major General Thomas Tilawak, aka Altom Ali Zain, from Twish County in Warab State, served in the Sudanese Military Intelligence Unit along with General Jafar Dow El-Baid from Abyei and Lieutenant General Ibrahim Al-Masdeng. We wonder why General Atta failed to mention them, she stressed it. The Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of South Sudan issued a surprising statement on January 23, 2025, echoing General Yasser Al-Attah's remark and taking issue with South Sudan's statement at the recent UN Security Council open debate on African-led and development-focused counter-terrorism in New York. South Sudan rejects the accusation as unfounded, she said. She said Foreign Minister Ramadan Mohamed Abdallah Ghossi's recent statement in New York was not intended to request intervention from the African Union and UN in Sudan. The minister sought only the support of the UN Security Council to join our call for an investigation into the tragic massacre of our innocent citizens in Al Jazeera state to ensure transparency and quick outcome for the best benefit of the two countries and people. At this juncture, we reiterate our call for the UNSC and the AU to join our call for a credible investigation into the Wat Madeni massacre, she said. Gwazme amen chalat gwazme Ramadan and la spokesperson ka Minister of Foreign Affairs ka South Sudan ajeni ken ne kon tila Sudanese going ken General Stephen Boyrol nyangano jenete ke dech mishiro da mat kwich RSF lo nyi ne ti kai chela do tege de ni wan long timo tila nying South Sudanese no wal ticha nanga ken ne kon la Sudanese ne la ka ja wi do dien ko bi ken kor dung Sudan bi ken oker bi ken woter wi mi ke Yemen wo ka Saudi Arabia ken wi dial ko ken ka togan dial ajeni a lot Sudan so chicken South Sudanese de bu ganyan tama ka kep kan na ka bom gwat mi bi ken nan kor agenda nan dongo de nyoga yekel an bar nyoje mu den bi ataka mal bye bye.